What's the deal? It's your boy Original Dion, and I wanted to talk about something. Um, it's more about smart work than it is hard work. I'm making this video because I saw an ad play on one of my videos, and on the ad I sat there and watched it, but I watched the whole ad, and it was talking about how it's this false notion that entrepreneurs and even our families, like over time, they gave us that you gotta work real hard to be successful. You gotta work real hard. And what I'm making this video and talking about is the fact that we have a new opportunity to work smarter than harder. You know what I'm saying? When you see people with millions of dollars, they work smarter than harder. If you start a company, you know what I'm saying? You working smarter than harder. If you in the real estate, you starting YouTube, you are moving in the direction of moving smarter than harder. Anything where you start your own business. Because even though you may be under the impression that it's going to take 2 years of, or not seeing any results before you get to your success, that's better than working tens of years, for a company, and you working hard and not getting nothing, when you might have to only do 2 years, on your own goal, on your own dream, to really grind it out to see results that's going to last you the rest of your fucking life. So when you see people that's successful, a lot of money, just know they working smarter than harder. It could be a musician. It could be a painter getting paid off of their art. It could be somebody with an e-commerce store online making thousands of dollars a month. It's so many different ways to work smarter than harder. And all you got to do is really take that risk and believe in yourself. And you can even do it while working a regular job. You don't have to just, put it all in just yet. You can build, and go at your own pace. Don't let nobody rush you. But just know, it's more about working smarter than harder. It's your boy Yon World. I'm out. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. We out. Peace.